Hello everyone and welcome to this new tutorial. In this tutorial I will show you how to get different icons like these from up to 10 websites. So without wasting any further time, let's get started. First, you go to Google Chrome and go to first website, which is called Vector Stock. Here is Vector Stock and click enter. You go to this website, Vector Stock, Vector Art, Images, Graphics and Clip Art. You can see here that this website contains up to 35 million free vector images. For example, I need icon of face mask, so I can go to search icon and write face masks and click enter. As you see here, many different icons of face masks. We can search for another thing or another icon. For example, we need to search for home icon and click enter. You can see here different icons of homes. We can download any one of these icons. We can go to this one, right click and click save image as. Then you give it its name and click save. We can search for another thing, for example alcohol disinfectant and click enter. You can see here different icons of alcohol disinfectant. Let's go to another website. We go to Google and write free pick. As you see here, free pick. You can go to this website, go to search icon and write, for example, face masks. Okay, face mask icon and click enter. As you see here, different icons of face masks. We can get any one we need. We can search for another icon, for example, shake hands and click enter. You can see here different icons of shake hands. We can get any one of these. Okay, go to this one and click save as, save image as. Okay, and you can change its name, write its name here, file name, and save as type AVIF, then click save. Let's go to another website which is called iStock. We can write here iStock and click enter. Then go to iStock. You can wait until it downloads. Okay, you click on start your free trial. You go to search millions of premium quality stock. We don't need this one. You can return back and go here, search millions of premium quality stock images and videos. We can write here also face masks and click enter. You can see here different images and icons of face masks. Let's try a new thing. For example, we need to search for virus and click enter. You can see here many different images of the viruses. As you see, we can search for microscope. Here is microscope. Okay, and you can see different images of microscopes and so on. Let's try another website which is called Dreams Time. You can return to Google and write Dreams Time and click enter. Go to this website and find your perfect stock photo. We can search, for example, car, and right here you can write here car icon and click enter. You can see here different icons of cars. You can download any one of these. You can search for another item or another icon, for example DNA, and you click enter. You can see here different images of DNA. You can get any one of these images to put in the use you want, and so on. We can search for another item. If we need to search for another item, for example, we need to search for a pipette. Click enter, and you can see here different images of pipette. Here is an image, here is another image, there is an image of pipettes, different pipettes, micro pipettes, as you see here. Let's try micro pipettes. You can search here micro, you can write here micro pipettes. You click enter. As you see here, different images of micro pipettes. You can get any of these. Okay, you can see here micro pipettes. Here are micro pipettes. Okay, here as well plate. You can download any one of these pipettes. We can, for example, search here for bacteria, and you click enter. You can see here different images of bacteria. As you see, you can download any image you want to add, for example, in an illustration, or use in presentation, or use in video. You can go here to next page to see more images related to bacteria. Let's move on to another website which is called Shutterstock. We can return to Google and write Shutterstock. You can see here Shutterstock. Okay, go to Shutterstock, and this one can return. You can write here again Shutterstock. You can see here Shutterstock and go to this website Shutterstock. We can search for any image or any icon we need, face mask for example, and click enter. Okay, you can see here many different face masks. We can search here for vaccine and click enter. Okay, it's COVID-19 vaccine. These are icons of vaccines. You can go here and free with trial, different images representing fake vaccination process. We can search here, for example, vial of vaccine, and click enter. As you see here, there are different vials of vaccination. You can download any of these items and put in your illustration. We can search here for a syringe. Here's syringes. Okay, you can see here different icons and items of syringes. Many icons of syringes you can download and get any one of these icons. Let's go to another website containing different icons, many icons like these, which is called Victizi. You can go to Google and write here Victizi. Okay, and click enter. You can see here Victizi, and you go to search vectors. Okay, and right here vaccine, for example. And you click enter. You can see many icons related to vaccination. As you see, wait until it downloads. You can download these icons and these images to build infographic design or scientific illustration, or you can use them in your presentation. Many icons you can get from Victizi. We can search for another icon or another item. For example, we can write here virus. You can find many icons of viruses. Okay, here are vectors. These are vectors. Okay, as you see here, many shapes of vectors related to viruses. Okay, you can filter here. Go to this filter, and for example, I need image, so I click on images, and many images related to viruses will appear, as you see here. If I need videos, I go to videos, select videos, and you can see different videos related to viruses and so on. Let's check another website called Udemy. Return to Google and write Udemy. Click enter. Okay, and go to this website and search. For example, you can search here for syringes. Syringe. Click enter. We wait until it downloads. You can see here different icons of syringes, as you see here. Many different syringes. You can get any one of these images. You can download it and use in your illustration. We can search here for virus. You can write here virus, and you can see many different vectors and images related to viruses, as you see here. You can get all of these images for free. Okay, we can search here for another vector or another item. For example, we need to search for a car or a microscope, and click enter. You can find here different shapes of microscope, different images. You can get any one of these images. Okay, let's check another website called Icon Finder. We return to Google and write Icon Finder. Here it is. Okay, we go to Icon Finder, and we can go here, search for icons, illustrations, 3D, and stickers. For example, we need to search for DNA, and right here DNA. Click enter. You can see here many different icons related to DNA. You can search here for, and click enter. Okay, you can see here different icons related to face masks, people wearing face masks, and you search in these different websites to get the icon that you need. We can go to another website, which is considered the number 9, deposition photos. Okay, we can go to Google and write deposition photos. Deposition photos, and you click enter. Here it is. You can search also for face mask or virus. We can search here, write virus, and you click enter. You can write here virus, and you click enter. Many different images related to viruses, as you see here. You can get any one of these. We can write here syringe. Here is syringe. You can see here different icons, images, vectors of syringes. You can download the image you need. You can search for another icon, vial, for example, and click enter. Okay, you can see here vials, as you see here, vials. These are different shapes and different icons and different images of vials, as you see here. You can get any one of these vials or any one of these images and use in your illustration as you need. Let's check the last website, which is called PIXTA. Go to Google and write here PIXTA, Pixta, okay, and go to Pixta stock photos. You can search here for face mask, for example, okay, face mask, and click enter. You can see here images related to face masks, okay, here it is, okay, this one also this one, this one. You can search for another icon, for example, you can write here virus and click enter. You can see here also images related to distribution of viruses, but there is a watermark on these images which indicates that these images are not for free. And as we have discussed previously, I have shown you many different websites to get vectors, images, and illustrations that you can use in different things like presentations, like infographics, like videos or video editing, video creation, and you can use us to build any scientific illustration to insert in a scientific application or something like that. Now I think that we have reached to the end of this tutorial today. I hope you benefit from this video. Don't forget to subscribe and share this video as you can. Bye bye.